YouTube, welcome to the shop. Got another HackerBoxes unboxing. Let's get to it. I actually forget the number I'm on right now, so I need to open it up before I could say which number it is. Maybe. Confetti. Let's see here. Maybe. Oh, come on. Okay. Box 0033, Toys of Summer. SurfHackerBoxes.com. Pie board. That's a new one. Alright. Well, we got all kinds of blue confetti. Wonder if that's for anything. Jumpers. ID tag holder. Oh, that's interesting. Huh. That's cool as hell. I thought it was a sticker at first when I looked at it, but it's a circuit board. That's neat. That's cool as hell. I like that. And a patch. Some stickers. Oh, I like that one. That's cool. Batteries. Small breadboard. Temperature sensor. So interesting how there's just so many of these different types. I mean, and they all pretty much look the same, but they're a little bit different. Little parts bag. A little bit of soldering to do. An LED strip. Maybe. Oh, how sometimes this thing will focus real easy and then other times it won't. Arm 2. Well, that's a very populated little tiny board. Pi 6 version 1.1. Micro Python. There is so much going on there, it's retarded. I guess I shouldn't say that's not politically correct, but oh well, it's already been said. Well, that's interesting. That is a lot going on there. Micro SD slot, USB micro. Yeah, so that's it. Lots of stickers, lots of interesting little things, a crazy breadboard, or not breadboard, circuit board. Can't wait to get this thing done, see what is going on. Alright, well thanks.